Mindshift Productions. Feel the shift.
Sipping water on your bitch, I do my way. I'm a bumper green. Lucky on your wrist, fuck on my neck. If you want some smoke, I'm sending shooters, dogs, me. One shot, run it, jump, I leave.
さあ行け。あいつを救い出せるのはお前だけだ。いい加減おとなしく切られやがれ。
そら無理だ。その唯一が俺だからよ。
俺にとってお前は最も親しい友になった。
Mindshift Productions. Feel the shift.
Yeah. They say life will bring discomfort, and I discovered we all just suffer, 'cause no one feels that bad. And it comes from one another. We hurt each other just like a lover, and don't think twice about that. Yeah, and I feel like something's bad, but hell, I'm used to that. I always turn my back, yeah. And I wanna feel something, but all I feel is pain. I wanna make a change, but you either pick yourself up, or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself. I've got scars, put up my guard. I don't wanna get torn apart. I start to feel my heart race faster, it's pumping hard. And all I want is to be something. That's why I just keep on running. Can't stop what you don't see coming. Yeah, and you know I'm coming. How can I trust you if you don't trust me? I do what I do, 'cause it is just me, and nothing is new. No, I'm not lucky. I work my ass off, so I'll be some. You either pick yourself up, or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself.
That's my baby, that's my luck. Touching it slowly, love how you hold me. I was a player, that wasn't for me. Lessons of prayer for something holy. Got naked and showed me, real summer's been lonely, yeah. At first, I was hesitant and spooky, like a skeleton. You know it's one of but intelligent. All them other bitches so irrelevant. Oh yeah, damn line is some memories. I swear someone got the best of me. Yeah, sharply with the recipe. With you, it's a part of me. Yeah, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying, I guess what I'm saying is
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, 'cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game. A veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life.
I don't wanna fall for nobody anymore, cause it only brings heartbreak. Turn my world upside down, counting every breath that I take. Lying here awake, got you in my head, feeling overwhelmed with the way I feel. If I keep on going, I'ma end up dead. I don't know what's fake and what's real. I don't wanna fall for nobody anymore, cause it only brings heartbreak. You walked in and turned my world around, counting every breath that I take. Lying here awake, got you in my head, feeling overwhelmed with the way I feel. If I keep on going, I'ma end up dead. I don't know what's fake and what's real. And I'm sorry that I've been a little pissed on with some of my fuck love shit. And I swear if I fall for someone like you again, I might lose it. I've been on my own, cause I said I didn't need you. Guess that I was wrong, would you look at what it's come to? I feel so alone, but I never wanna see you. Shawty in my phone.